I'm doing chapter 7, question 10. So this is the required information. It says an ice skater with a mass of 98 kg pushes off against a second skater with a mass of 32 kg. Both skaters are initially at rest. So this is our question. If the larger skater moves off with a speed of 3 ms in the positive direction, what is the corresponding speed of the smaller skater? So what we're trying to find is the velocity of the second skater. What we know is the mass of the bigger skater is 98 and the mass of the smaller skater is 32. We also know that the larger skater his velocity is 3. We just don't know the velocity of the smaller skater. So we would be using this one, but we're not looking for that, so we're not going to use that. We're looking for the velocity of the second skater. So what we do know is the mass of the first skater, and we know the velocity of the first skater, which is the bigger skater, and we know the mass of the second skater. So we're going to divide this together, but before we divide that, we have two numbers at the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 98, which is the mass, times the velocity, which it gives you 294. So now you have 294, same thing. I'm just putting the actual numbers down. So you do 294 and the mass under here, which right here it says 32. And that gave me negative 9.2. So the reason why it's negative is just it's in the negative direction. So yeah, hope that makes sense.